Yo, 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 yo. What is up, my peoples? Hope everybody's doing good out there, enjoying their night. It is 4 in the morning, so I guess enjoying your morning. And I'm back at it again. JV right here. About to lace y'all up on what has been going on with cryptocurrencies, XRP, and Bitcoin, and specifically. I've been gone a little bit. Sorry about that, guys. It gets a little hectic in life. Um, but yeah, we have been following um XRP, and we are looking to catch a bottom so we can ride it all the way out to my prediction, which is 18 to $20, guys. So quick disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. This video is just to let you know what I think of the markets from just my uh, point of view. You can go and take it how you will. So, caution, don't blame me for anything you do. So, here we go, back at it again with the daily. Look at this, beautiful, guys. This is beautiful all the way January 2018, from the peak that was, let's say, 28 to the 30th of December 2017, and then boom, the drop, and from there we have gone and hit a bottom, which was 20 cents, 23 cents. I'm gonna range it from 20 cents, but I'm not even sure if it really hit 20 cents. It it was 26 cents. Okay, so 25 cents has been the floor. So it has not even gone back to the 20-cent range. Um, 25 has been the lowest that it has reached since the major drop. So it's a really good resistance support zone. I have my red line at 22 cents. I'm gonna put another line at 25 just so we can see where that's at when we zoom in. And let me get it just right, guys. So I'm super excited, guys. I've been the crypto market for about I'm gonna say 3 years now, since I've actually uh, really known about it and started investing in it. And will be what, mm, yeah, about 3 years. And a lot of stuff has been going on since the beginning, guys. It has been crazy. um I believe that it is really the future. It is the future, and it's right in front of our eyes. So we could either take advantage of the moment that we are living in time, or we can miss out on it completely, and that would suck, guys. So cannot miss out on this opportunity. As we zoom in from the last low that it hit over here, which was 25-cent range, we came and we hit a low again, and it actually broke that low from January. Let's see the exact date, guys. Let's see the exact date that this happened. This was on 13th of August. This was the 13th of August, 2018. We hit that on the 13th of August, let's say 14th, but dangerous, guys. Oh, exactly the 13th? Exactly the 13th. That is amazing. So, exactly a year later, we hit another low, which tell you something big, guys. Tell you something big. That these markets repeat themselves as far as time frames go. And if that is true, then the next low was on the 10th of September, let's say to the 12th, and we are on. Okay, let's go back. The actual low was on the 10th to 5th, and then it shot up on the 18th. So right now we're barely on the second, guys. We're barely on the second, but I believe we are gonna start seeing this shoot up out of here, and I'm gonna zoom into this in a minute. I'm gonna zoom into this and break it down for you guys. But um, it is a really good price zone right now, right here. This whole 2020, let's say 23 to the 24 zone. It is such a good freaking price zone to get in, guys. This is probably never gonna be seen again on some on some real shit. It is that crazy. Okay, so I have a video from like freaking over here when this happened, when this broke out of here, and I can go and zoom a little bit out so you can see that. So I had been following this, guys, and this was on a huge wedge going down, huge wedge, and I didn't know when it was gonna break out of it. A lot of people thought here, and then it just continued back to the zone, back to the zone. 4 touches, 5 touches now on some retracement, jump and retracement, and now on the sixth touch. Uh, Broke it. Boom. So either way, so it broke this whole thing here. This was the first breakout whenever I did the first video, and then it retraced. And I told you guys that it could go over here, and that don't worry if it came all the way back down and hit like a lower around 25 cents, 20 cents. That it was all good, and boom, we're there. So this is a whole just freaking what is it called? I just brain farted, guys. My bad. This is just psychology. The market's best tool to take you out, so that the the smart traders, the ones that don't get fooled by all of this, can get that money. That's how we get paid. A lot of people are like, well, where does the money come from? Well, that's where it comes from, guys. From the 95%, let's say, that lose in this game, that is the markets. So right here, it was a beautiful run all the way to 55 cents. Oh my goodness, it's so freaking lit. um who wrote that up, man? That's not okay. So boom, that was crazy. Boom, drop. Do we have divergence, guys? Do we have divergence? From here to here. Yes, we have divergence, guys. That is divergence. We are lit. We are ready to go. We are ready to go. Even the RSI has broken the trend line that it has on the RSI. A lot of people, they're like, what are you talking about? And that I becoming a clutch with this trend line. I have tested it before, and I'm telling you guys, the RSI trend line comes in real clutch, and it is right there breaking it. We are we are gone. Boom. gone, guys. We're gone. Going back up, and where would that take us? All the way back up, guys. All the way back up. So let us zoom in a little bit. And okay, where were we? So we are on the retracement. Um, first zone, second zone, third zone, and we are about to go back up. We are zooming in. All right. So when is this happening? Well, we saw that the record shows around the 19th, 10th to the 19th, and we are on the second, but it doesn't necessarily mean that it's gonna have to wait until the 10th or the 19th to get out of this area, because that was the lowest low over there before it shot up. That doesn't necessarily mean it has to repeat exactly. It just means that it hit the W, which it is at now, and now I believe we are going up, and I believe that the 10th and the 19th will be good days, where we'll see a lot of movement, but the movement will already be far gone from this area. If I am correct, we will see that this week, because we still have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Boom, we have around 5 more candles, good candles, to go. And what will that bring us? What will those 5 candles bring us? What will this next candle bring us, guys? Whew, man. Boom. Boom. Until we hit this trend up here. All right, let's zoom in. Let's zoom in. Let's do this. Okay. So we are on the 4-hour chart now, and we have zoomed in to the XRP organism to see what it is doing. So this right here, guys, this was lit. I love the way that it funnels. And ooh, that wick, ooh, man, came back in the zone. So phew, this whole prize, this whole action is just beautiful. The way that it moves, the way that this this organism um, shows you what it is doing is just so beautiful. So another funnel, guys, another another funnel, real nice funnel, and broke, and that is where we got that entry, guys. Boom. This first wick into our 25-cent zone, which was our like forbidden zone, the zone that it hit before, and then it broke it, guys. That was lit. It broke it and actually came all the way down to 24, a whole penny less, 100 pips less. So then after that, guys, came back and respected this. This was entry king, guys, entry king. So after that, now we are here. Uh, 4, 5, 6. So we are 200 pips above now. 200 pips, guys. That is only a 200 pip freaking risk, guys. That is insane. So now we are there. And what is going to happen next? What is going to happen next? So I believe that this consolidation is going to bring us a nice candle right now, shooting up, because it hasn't even touched this blue line. I'm gonna go back to 4-hour chart. Yes, I was saying, because it hasn't even touched the blue line yet, which I would call a minor trend line. So I put it in blue. Once it touches that minor trend line, it has to break it. Boom. So this that I drew out, I believe it was gonna either do this and then third touch right there, right on this line, and break that, or it was gonna come down and do like a three little move, little divergence type stuff, and then bell out. Did a little bit different, whatever. So that was my predictions. And this one is playing out. I'm gonna erase them real quick because they're like just getting in the way. Okay, so boom, back at it. Right here, I believe we will see another jump up in the next couple of hours. And whenever that happens, uh, give me a quick. So when it comes up here to this price zone, uh, right here, it's gonna be the 2680 level. Let's say hitting the 27. Let's say, boom. So right there in that zone, it's either gonna have to show us a breakout of this area or a rebound down from this area. It could go either way, guys. It could go either way on that. But I personally think that uh, it will break out of there. So we'll have to wait and see what is going to happen on XRP. But it is looking real good, man. It is looking real good. So hopefully, whoever is holding XRP is not getting any crazy thoughts of cashing your XRP out, um, anything like that, so that you can be real happy about your choice when it goes and uh, breaks out of the 27 area. Because once it breaks out of that 27 area, guys, you can know that you heard it first from JV Low Key Trading, that once it breaks out of that 27, it is going all the way back up 29.30 area first show after it hits 27 breakout. And then after that, guys, we are going to a new high. Oh yes, we are, because it is going to break this major at that point if it hits 30 cents again. And once it hits the 30 cents again and breaks that second major, we are heading to, I'll show you the levels, guys. I'll show you the levels. Cash out zones if you're trying to cash out type stuff. 36 area. So we're going to 36 after that, guys. Right after breaks out of 30, you're going to 36. That's 600 pips in the bag. And if you're in right now, that would be 1,100 pips. That'd be 1,100 pips, guys, if you're in that 25 area. Okay, so said 1,000 pips easy in the bag. Then after that, I do believe that um, the markets will be hitting new highs in these next couple of months because of Bitcoin halvening. If you have not looked up into that, look that up. Bitcoin halving, having, right? Having means same thing, but HALVING. Look that up, guys. Real interesting, and it shows you how Bitcoin is really scarce and scarcer than gold, guys. Um, so to give you a better view of the price and where it's heading and why it is, it's really good to look that up. So other than that, guys, we're going to Bitcoin next. Let me just give it one last view, see if I left anything out. I don't think so. I don't think so. Just my quick prediction from the dates that I was looking up. I was looking up at the whole history of every single jump that Bitcoin has had and every single crazy movement to see when exactly it was that it made the move, and it was on November, from let's say November 15 to the 28th was real crazy. So on XRP, it actually was later than that. It was late. It was December when it hit. So, um, man, don't quote me on the Bitcoin, guys. I just ready to have the info, but yeah, it was around that time. Either way, my point is that November 12th all the way up to let's say December 28th, last of December's. It is my prediction of the high of the price. That is, you're gonna see a new high per se. So um, we are going and cashing out at around $18-20. That could take 1 to 3 years. You know, it could be at thousands of dollars by then, right? But whatever. My cash out zone just for this quick trade is reasonable, $18-20. Okay, boom, just what's up, man? Rape the broker. You're gonna be mad. Okay, let's go to Bitcoin next, guys. Um, check this beautiful trend line out. Beautiful channel. Um, beautiful channel. And what has happened? What has happened, guys? You tell me. Come on. What is that? Oh yeah, breakout, and now we are seeing what Bitcoin does, like a little mini consolidation right there, and it is going to hop the heck out of here, and this is what I see happening. Boom, boom, around this area. Oh, all the way up to the major, all the way up to the major. Okay. And or I mean, this is the other thing that happened, guys, right there, because it'll retouch like this area type stuff. So if it falls, it'll fall to like around that area, um, and then it'll hop and just keep doing the other pattern. So that'll be around 10 150 to 10 250 that it could hit before it bounces up to where we are predicting 11,000 next. And once it breaks 11,000, so let's say if you see Bitcoin touch if you see Bitcoin touch 11 11,300, boom, 11,300. If you see Bitcoin at 11,300, just know that we have made it and we have broken out of the zone. So you will be hearing about Bitcoin everywhere. At that point, everybody starts talking. Everybody starts talking. Um, and why are they gonna start talking like crazy at that point? Because once that happens, if it breaks it, guys, oh man, it is going to start a rally. It is going to start a crazy rally, and this crazy rally will go up to a whole new high, the last high, which was 1300 on the 26th of June. Man, 26th of June, guys. That is freaking lit. Things are moving fast. Things are moving fast. So now we're on the 6th of September. I believe we will be there. Right now we are on the 2nd. So by another week, that is my prediction. All the way over here at 11 and ultimately breaking it so that the next week can also be a bullish week and we are gone and golden. So let's see. I'm gonna go and show you the daily, guys. But man, that is a beautiful funnel. I know y'all are seeing that. Like, oh snap, that looks so freaking lit. And the first channel has broken just yesterday, guys. So that's why I was like, man, I gotta do a video. I gotta lace my peoples up, man. Gotta lace them up. Okay, so look at that prediction. This was from all the way over here in 15 January. Um, I thought a lot of people were saying 18, 2000. So predicted it to the worst, but was really looking at this zone as the bottom, as for a lot of other people. But you have to predict the worst. Quick Wick could have done that, but there was no Wick action, which was so lit. And then predicted it going at 1200, and from there, some consolidation or whatnot. Which there you go. We actually received a funnel, and now we are gonna see the next jump up, which 18,000 easily, and go from there. So I just wanted to show you how the first break happened of this huge funnel. So this is how you can kind of see, and you can see what happened after that break. So that's how you can kind of see what will happen as soon as. So look at this, boom, break, little consolidation, and then just goes right. So that's the same thing that happens when you zoom all the way in. Like is the same thing going on throughout the whole organism. Um, I hope you get what I'm saying, but yeah, it's the same patterns throughout the whole organism. So you just have to zoom in. And then broke Sorry, guys, had some technical difficulties with my phone. It's over here overheating on this wireless charger. Apparently, cannot have it over here on a meeting while it's charging on there. Got super hot. Um, okay, so I was saying if if it comes down here, it would only be about a 200, 250 pip drop. So man, that's like wow, and again, I'm not telling you to do anything, so don't take this as a signal again, but it is, in my point of view, a really good um, investment opportunity that we are getting throughout these crypto markets, and people have not even begun to realize the the era of wealth that we are like living in right freaking now. So uh let me zoom back into the 4 hour. So yeah, guys, Bitcoin blockchain, it is taking over. It is straight up going to be the next internet, the internet of the future. And a lot of people will question themselves and hate themselves for not seeing it before. Like me, I hated myself. I hated myself for not going in at $300 a coin when my mentors were telling me to. I didn't really realize what it was. Didn't bother to the research. I was very um, ignorant about the information I was receiving, and it cost me a lot of money. Cost me a lot of money, guys. So just to look at the chart, 600, guys. This thing is crazy quick. 2016, and then it just happened so quick. And this is when it got added to the exchanges, guys. It was at 300. So I got added to the exchanges. My boy was telling us like, man, it's on an exchange. It's crazy what this is and this and that. So we didn't really start to listen until it had broken 1,000. So that was at around December 2016. And then after that, it was just like okay, but it was still so weird on like the whole process of okay, what, and taking mine, it crashed after that, and it was just still ignorant about what was going on, and at the same time not very much information at the time. Just a couple big minds saying some good stuff, which should have been enough, right? But boom, a year later, guys. This is literally a year later. This is crazy. So let's go to right here, December, January, 2017, then January 2018, right here, guys. This is a year, guys. So what is going to happen next? What is going to happen next? And that is the real question. And I personally believe the first TP easily 45K, guys. 45K, 44 to 45K. And to extend it uh, easily, guys. Man, 86 to 94. 86 to 94K, guys. That is that is where I'm going at. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. It is looking good. It is looking good. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys got some good info. Hope you learned a little bit about how to mark up a chart and trade. And I hope that you are checking out these crypto markets and doing your own research before you do anything so that you can be comfortable with whatever happens and know that it has risks, but know the reward side of it. So please do your research and let me know if you have any more questions in the comments. So I will be back in about a week so we can see where this price action is at. And I'm definitely gonna keep doing follow-up videos, guys. And I'm sorry if I been bad with doing them, in a timely manner. I will definitely work on it. And other than that, I'm out. Let me know, guys. Give me a comment and tell me what you think of Ripple and XRP. Um, sorry, Ripple, XRP, and Bitcoin. And tell me if you're a Bitcoin fan or a Ripple fan, and if you're hodling any. So for show. Y'all have a good one. See you on the top.